How to add Airbnb to Wanderlog. Open the Wanderlog app or website and sign in to your account. Open the specific trip where you want to add your Airbnb reservation. Go to the itinerary page so you can see your day-by-day plans. Tap the option to add a reservation so you can enter your stay details. Select lodging so Wanderlog knows you are adding a place to stay. Open your Airbnb app or email and copy the Airbnb booking link or listing name. Return to Wanderlog and paste the link or type the Airbnb listing name in the search box. Select the Airbnb listing that appears or continue manually if it does not show up. Enter your check-in and check-out dates, along with any booking information you want to keep. Save the reservation so your Airbnb stay is now added to your Wanderlog trip. Thank you for watching.